Ever wondered how prepared you are for AI-powered cyber threats? In today's interconnected world, AI-driven cyber attacks have become more complex, automated, and challenging to detect. Yet, defending against these sophisticated threats is not impossible. It involves a multi-layered approach, blending technology, processes, and people. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you bolster your defenses against AI-powered cyber attacks. Firstly, understand your attack surface. Take inventory of your hardware, software, and data. Know their vulnerabilities. Identify which systems are crucial for your operations and what impact their compromise would have. Secondly, enhance your security infrastructure. Employ advanced firewalls and antivirus solutions that leverage AI to detect and mitigate threats. Ensure your systems are configured securely to minimize vulnerabilities. Thirdly, implement robust access control. Adhere to the principle of least privilege, limiting user permissions to only what is needed for their role. Employ multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security for accessing systems. Fourthly, encrypt sensitive data. Encrypt your data both at rest and in transit to protect against unauthorized access. Implement robust key management practices to protect your encryption keys. Fifthly, regularly update and patch your systems. Update your operating systems, software, and firmware regularly to patch known vulnerabilities. Use tools to scan for vulnerabilities and address them promptly. Next, deploy AI-based security solutions. Use AI-powered tools to monitor for unusual patterns that could indicate a cyber attack. Implement AI-driven threat intelligence solutions to stay ahead of emerging threats. Then, prioritize employee training and awareness. Train your workforce regularly on recognizing phishing attacks, safe internet practices, and the importance of password security. Conduct simulated phishing and social engineering attacks to assess employee readiness. Following that, have a backup and recovery plan. Regularly back up critical data and systems to enable recovery in the event of an attack. Have a comprehensive disaster recovery plan that includes procedures for restoring systems after an attack. Monitor and respond to threats proactively. Implement continuous monitoring solutions to detect and respond to threats in real time. Develop and regularly update an incident response plan to ensure a coordinated response to security incidents. Finally, stay informed and collaborate. Keep abreast of the latest cybersecurity trends, threats, and defense strategies. Join industry groups or forums to share information about threats and best practices with peers. In conclusion, defending against AI-powered cyber attacks requires a well-rounded approach. It's also crucial to regularly review and update your cybersecurity strategies to adapt to new AI-driven cyber threats. Keep in mind that cybersecurity is not a one-time activity, but a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving. If you're interested in continuing to learn about cybersecurity and its intersections with AI, be sure to select the like button below. Subscribe to this channel and share so others can learn as well. Stay vigilant, stay safe,